Welcome back to ClearTask. If your table borders have mysteriously disappeared in Microsoft Word, don't worry. It is a common issue, and fixing it takes just a few seconds. Here is exactly how to get them back. Hover your mouse over the table until you see a small square icon with 4 arrows in the top left corner. Click this icon to select the entire table. The fastest way to restore your borders is to look up at the top menu and click on the Table Design tab. From there, click the Borders dropdown and select All Borders. Your table lines will instantly reappear. Alternatively, you can use the right-click menu, which works perfectly on older versions of Word as well. Right-click anywhere inside the selected table and choose Table Properties. At the bottom of the window, click the Borders and Shading button. On the left side, choose the option that says All. Finally, click OK and then OK once more to apply the changes. And that is it. Your table is back to normal. If this quick tip helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask. For more straightforward software tutorials, see you in the next video.